start us off. I had such a dumb trade in this TBOC. So, all right, it's coming off a big change of composure. Name's been pretty beaten up past year after it was such a winter during COVID and all that. But it looked like it was setting up really tightly, and it was this day right here. It was the red day of November 2nd. So you can see it doesn't even eclipse yesterday's high, the day before high, the previous day's high. The entry is so clearly 153. So it spikes up intraday, and I start buying 152. And a $150 name, that dollar does not matter that much to put on full risk. And then the market found a little bit of weakness, and this thing sold off, and it took too big of a loss for what it was, and it was just like I never even should have been in the trade. It was really stupid. You just gotta wait for that entry point. That was very clear. What are the good trades? This FFIV. This one looks really good. It was really good. What was it? So we bought this day right here. What we like about the name? So big move on earnings. Comes down, finds support, similar to how I was explaining that UPS setup. This is what happened in FFIV. Very similar setup. Comes in, fills the gap. We bought here this 214 area against these lows, and now look at us. It looks like it's flagging at all-time highs. Looks great through this 226 area. That one looks really good. And then today, this AMEH, and again, buying through these earnings highs, or when names make a big move and give you a consolidation day. Earnings are the biggest catalyst that we're going to see for a quarter. So this name can run for the next quarter. So what I loved about the setup is it reminded me so much of UPST last quarter. So UPST has been a big winner. And last quarter, I completely missed this move. I thought it had gapped too much, and here's what happened. It pretty much has these great earnings, and it gaps to this all-time high resistance level. Now, if you're looking at it daily from here, the stock looks pretty extended. But what was I just saying? Earnings, biggest catalyst we're going to see for 3 months. So what happens? The name takes out that high, and look at this run it goes on. Absolutely crazy. It goes 170 to 400 in 2 or 3 months. Insanity. So this AMEH gapping up to the resistance level, that really reminded me of that UPST setup that I missed last quarter, so I made sure I didn't miss this quarter. And we had a red day today, and the name's up 11%. So, that one's looking really good. I think it's got some legs for a good swing trade. That's all I got, though.